Want to know the secret to making your money work for you instead of the other way around? Forget outdated savings tips. 2025 is all about smart money tactics that the wealthy are already using. Today, I'm revealing 6 powerful smart money tactics that will change the way you handle money. These strategies are designed to help you earn more, save smarter, and build financial freedom faster. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, automation is the secret weapon of the financially savvy. Why? Because it takes emotion out of the equation and ensures you're always growing your wealth. Why this works: helps you save and invest effortlessly, reduces the risk of overspending, builds wealth passively over time. How to get started? Use apps like Acorns or Wealthfront to automate investing. Set up auto transfers from your checking to a high-yield savings account. Enable Roundup, savings on purchases to stash extra cash. Think of it like putting your money on autopilot, so you're building wealth while doing absolutely nothing.
Next, smart money moves are not about relying on one income source. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. How many do you have? If you only have one income stream, you're one step away from financial disaster. Time to change that. Let's talk about debt, but not the way you've heard before. Not all debt is bad debt. The wealthy use debt to build wealth, while the poor drown in it. Using debt the right way means turning it into a tool for financial growth, not a trap. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius to invest. You just need the right strategy and time. The best investors? They don't panic. They stay consistent, play the long game, and reap massive rewards. Want to keep more of your hard-earned money? Then think like the wealthy, because the rich don't just make more, they keep more. Every dollar you save in taxes is a dollar you can invest, grow, and multiply. Tax strategy equals wealth strategy.
Last, but definitely not least, mindset matters more than money itself. If you don't understand how money works, you'll always be struggling. Your financial future is 100% in your hands, but only if you educate yourself and take action. All right, which of these smart money tactics are you going to apply first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the best ways to grow your money in 2025.